As we know, Hurricane Beryl made its way through the greater Houston area on Monday, leaving a wake of extensive damage after it left our system. We lost power to 2.2 million of our customers. These are our neighbors who count on electricity each and every day. We have worked tirelessly since that storm made its way through our system, restoring customers. In fact, in the first 48 hours, we restored nearly half of our customers after that storm. That restoration wouldn't have been possible without extensive preparation in advance of the storm making its way through here, as well as extensive investments in our system, improving our resiliency. We know we have more to do. We still have a little over 1 million customers remaining without power. We're not going to stop working until each of those customers is back and restored. What we're seeing, though, where we are in this stage of restoration is more extensive damage, more extensive work. I'm fortunate to be joined by one of our foreign crew coordinators who's helping coordinate the work with mutual assistance crews that have come all the way from Pennsylvania to help restore our customers. James, really appreciate your time today.
Yes, sir.
Let's go take a look at what they're doing today.
What we've got going on today, we're working in these backyards. We've got to get this heavy machinery back here to replace this broken pole. Trees come down into the lines and broken the pole halfway up the pole and at the ground level. So we got the crews in, machinery in, and in order to do all that safely, we've got to get tree crews in to remove tree limbs in order to make that area safe for those guys to work. On top of that, dragging machinery back here and all that kind of stuff is a lengthy process.
I appreciate that. You know, James, one of the questions we've been getting a lot from our customers is the damage assessment process, right?
Yes.
It's both assessment and restoration.
Yes.
During that assessment process, we were bringing 1.1 million of our customers back online. But can you explain kind of why we do this assessment process? You talked about having multiple skills just to complete this one job.
Yes, sir. So with our assessors going out, they're able to show up and assess the job and make sure that we show up with the right equipment and the right tools to perform the work that we need to perform. Oftentimes, in order to set a pole, it's important to call 811 before you dig for the public. It's important that we call 811 before we dig as well. So we've got to get a locator out, locate to make sure we can set a pole safely. And sometimes working in backyards, there's a lot of easements, gas lines and things running through here, and we might have to dig by hands in order to get that pole set.
Super helpful. You know, because of that prep work on the assessment side, bringing all the right skills, knowing where underground infrastructure exists, roughly how long would a job like this take?
A job like this would definitely take most of the day.
Yeah.
You know, a normal day, normal hours operation